Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi A Pro TV remote control isn't working. So first of all, check the batteries inside your remote control, remove the back cover of it and try to either reinsert the batteries here or replace them with the fresher pair. And then try using your remote control once again and see if it works. And if it's not working, then try to quickly reset your remote control simply by holding down the settings button and the home button at the same time. Hold them down close to your TV and wait for this screen to appear. Keep your remote control close and let it reconnect to your TV. You will hear a single beep that signals about the remote control detection. And if this way your TV remote control isn't reset, if your TV remote control isn't reset in this way, then remove the batteries first, then get rid of the residual power in your remote control by holding down the power button of your remote control for about half a minute. Keep holding it, and then we're also gonna have to restart our TV. In order to restart our TV, you simply have to unplug it from the power outlet or the wall socket. Then you can release the power button of your remote control, reinsert the batteries, apply the cover. Now your TV has to be turned off for around half a minute or more. After this time, you have to reinsert the power cord into the power outlet or wall socket. And then you have to short press the power button at the bottom of your TV in order to start your TV once again. And then just wait until your TV is started and go through the same connection steps that we went through before. So hold down your settings and home button once again, but not right now, but after the system is fully launched. So once the TV is relaunched, hold down these two buttons as previously and wait for the same signal on your TV. Eventually it will appear. Okay, let's try once again. Now keep your remote control close. Wait until it is paired. Now, if it doesn't start to pair, you have to hold down the same two buttons for a couple of seconds until the connecting message shows on your screen. And once you see that your remote control is connected successfully, you can proceed with using your remote control. Now, if these steps didn't help you, then in the meantime of replacing your batteries in your remote control, or maybe replacing your remote control, if you identified a hardware issue within your remote control, you can use your smartphone as a remote control using the Google Home application. And we actually have a separate video about how to use your smartphone as a remote control for this TV. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.